Hey everybody, check this out. Boom, baby! We got Megan Racing coilovers for the project car. Can't wait to install, baby. All right, I'm gonna clean these suckers up because they are used. I got them for $240, $1,000 coilovers for $240. That's what I'm talking about. That's a steal. We are going to clean them up, brake parts cleaner, all the basic stuff. Might have to install them. Stay tuned. Currently on time crunch, I was driving a Corolla around and the engine just locked up. So I am on a race to finish this car and get it drivable. So I won't be installing my coilovers soon. As you can see, there's currently a video being made about Myrtle. But today is Maisie. Maisie, from the day I've owned her, has always been a very unpleasant interior. Today, we will change that. Today we are going to clean this from dash down. I will be removing these nasty old seats and I will be vacuuming out. And from there, I have brand new seats that I will be putting in. And then that should change almost the entire look of the interior. Not right now, but I plan on getting new mats, so that's not a concern as of right now. I will be cleaning everything out, giving it a nice good clean, and who knows where that goes. We'll see where that gets me. And with the power of editing, you get to see a time lapse, and this should be done in a couple of seconds. That should take me hours, if not 8. Look what I just found under the seat. Babe, come when we get off. With a magnum. Oh my god. I cannot make this up. I know it's been a long time, but just be patient with me. There's just a lot of crap going on in my life right now. I'm trying to sort everything figured out. So this video is really short. I wanted to capture this as its own video because I have a video I'm editing currently as this is, as you're watching this. I'm going to upload it tonight or tomorrow. That I replaced the entire fuel system. Well, from the fuel filter back, I replaced it with stainless steel braided line. You'll see that video, the whole fuel sending unit, and yeah. So that's a pretty cool video. That'll be its own separate video. And then I actually bought a Diablo Sport Trinity 2 tuner for my Charger, and I already made the video. I just have to edit it and put it all together. So I got multiple videos that will be dropping in the next week. So that should make up for the 2 or 3 week lapse that I didn't have videos. So it's a shorter video than I ever do. So thank you guys for just subscribing. I gained 10 subscribers. I haven't even posted a video. So thank you to the new subscribers. And yeah, stay tuned for some great content. I really want to do some stuff with my 3000 GTs. I definitely have not forgot about them. They're near and dear to my heart. And just how about you guys comment down below what you guys like to see that's reasonable. I mean,
Obviously, I'd love to throw a turbo on it, but at the same time, that's just not practical with just a normal budget. So send me some ideas, even DM me on Instagram. I'll leave that down below like always. So yeah, stay tuned, and until next time, guys. See you later.